block, they free base, yo, we trapped on. Where our grandmothers march, the guns clap on. It's liquor stores, beauty supplies, and rap songs. I traveled the world just to come back to it. The crib got a lot of soul like black music, I'm attached to it. In many ways, the city raised me and gave me the drama, honor, and bravery. The streets seem hollow. When I go to Chicago, it's cheap wine and sorrow. Times is hard to swallow in search of God's tomorrow. I borrow words from the Bible and use them for survival. Games rival, signs painted on walls like hieroglyphics. I tell them that this is all tribe. We used to do dirt. Shorty's going through the same cycle and trials like Michael, trying not to stay idle. Back home,
back home. Everybody searching for something, but all they can find's a whole lot of nothing. Back home, back home. Yeah, ain't nobody hoping and praying, cause they feel like nothing can save them. And they try to hold out, but they can't fight the fact that life goes black when those lights go out. But I guess you gotta just watch out for your own, cause ain't a damn thing free back home, back home.
Back home, it's not Compton but close. The same problems exist and the pain throbbing in folks is so common it don't really bother as much. We just swallow it, crack the bottle and smoke. Hope tomorrow something magical happens that'll put me back in the biz, but the chances of it actually happening's kinda slim. Back home, we get the good life at a glimpse in the form of a rap star, drug dealers and pimps. I'm back home.
I try my best to keep it together, it's cold. Like the windy city streets of December, I pace back and forth, looking for the courage to shine, but can't tap the source. Need something to nourish my mind. I know we all is quite a bit in life, only to gain some light for the dark, windy roads we came from. But I move with the night, so I'm used to the shade and never lose sight, bringing truth back to the game.
Back home, we got a lot of shit on our minds. We're always behind on something cause there's not enough time, and we're non-stop. Bottom line, doing what we gotta do to get some food in the fridge and stay out of the hospital. Back home, there's people calling us hopeless, people trying to tell us all we need is some focus. But focus is overrated, cause you see every blemish and mistake and can't change it. Back home is Alvarado, K-Town and J-Town, a little Tokyo for those that don't know. Where figures shiver, living right in the litter, where kids write bigger, right inside the LA River on the concrete. A symbol of our everyday way, it's that color and concentration over heavy and gray. And by the time the ink dries on this page, I'll be half a day away from the place where I stay. Back home, everybody's searching for something, but all they